Hi guys, it's Martha from Married at First Sight. Today I'm going to show you guys a really cool, fun coloured eye look. Something a bit different. I feel like people are so hesitant to use like colour on their eyes or experiment, but it is just makeup and we do just wash it off at the end of the day. So don't take it seriously, have some fun with colour. Today I think I'm going to do a pink coloured eye. Now, because I already have a base on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some baking powder underneath my eyes, just in case we get any fallout. That will save us. I'm going to press also some translucent powder into my eyelid. You want a nice smooth base on the eyelid. You want heaps of powder. Powder sticks to powder. So your eyeshadow is generally a powder, and you want to have a nice, like, sort of smooth eyelid that you can work your eyeshadow into. I'm going to use a blush, like a really fuchsia pink blush in the crease now as well, and that's going to be like my blending color, so to speak. Now I want a little bit more depth in the crease of my eye, in the eye socket. And what I'm going to use is, this is an Inglot matte eyeshadow in the color 269. It's like sort of like a burgundy, almost like a red color. Again, adding just tiny bits of eyeshadow, blending it, and then adding more if you need it. Now, I have the Urban Decay Electric palette, and this is a set of pressed pigments. They are super concentrated, super pigmented. Only need a tiny bit of this. I have forgotten my liquid eyeshadows, so I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick instead. I'm gonna use the color Patina in the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks. This is actually such a good color. So only gonna use a tiny bit, put it on the back of your hand. Oh my god, Dad, I'm living for this. That's how, like, sometimes like these looks happen. It's out of, like, from a mistake or an accident. So just as a guide, I'm going to pick up some highlighter and I'm just going to go on the inner corners of my eyes. Next, let's pick up some of the pigment. Oh, there she is. So I like to apply eyeshadows with natural fiber brushes, and then if you're going to use a wet eyeshadow, I think it's really good to use a synthetic brush. It just helps everything along. I'm going to go back in with the Stila double-ended brush. I'm going to pick up that the darker, like, sort of red Inglot color, and I'm going to go into the crease with that. Where I added highlighter on the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to pick up more of a sort of like a light pink eyeshadow color, maybe even like a peachy pink eyeshadow color, and I'm going to go over it. Let's get some eyeliner. I'm going to pick up some of that really hot pink pigment. I'm going to go under that and really press that into the lash line on the bottom. I'm picking up like a dark plum. It's Urban Decay Extra Galactic eyeshadow, and I'm just picking it up. I'm just going on the bottom lash line. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is tightline and line. So now I'm going to apply mascara. I'm not going to curl my lashes because I'm probably going to put on some fake eyelashes, let's be honest. Okay guys, this is my finished look. I've finished off with a little bit of liner, a little bit of lip liner, and a lip gloss, and I even added some more bronzer. But yeah, this is my, say, dinner party look.